Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday. I just wanted to do a short check-in video with you to make sure everybody's comfortable with the material, to let you know where we are, and to remind you that if you have any questions or any problems, to please get a hold of me. Just in case you have misplaced it, my phone number is 307-272-1833. You're welcome to text me anytime or email me at the college. Some of you I've had really good contact with. Some of you have been very quiet. So I hope that if you're being quiet, that it means that you are working away at your own pace. But if not, please don't hesitate to call me so that I can help you if you start to get stuck or just need a little help. All right, so in the 3 classes that I'm teaching this semester, first we have dynamics. And in dynamics, today, of course, is the 15th of September. So if everything is on track, you would have completed and submitted the first 2 homeworks, chapters 11 and 12. And you'll be working on the quiz over chapter 11 and 12, which would be due tomorrow. Now, once again, there's no penalty for turning things in late. This is just the schedule that it will take to get us through the material by the end of the semester. On the quiz, this is for dynamics and for mechanics of materials and statics as well. Even though it may say to email it to me, that's an old prompt. What I really want you to do is to take the quiz here, and then within an hour of the time you open it here, submit it here. So you'll open this, the text of the quiz will come up. It's a 5-part problem, looks very much like homework, but it steps you through everything that you're supposed to do on a homework problem, on a quiz problem or an exam problem. So that you'll get 100% credit, or that you'll be eligible for 100% credit. Then you'll take a picture of it or scan it and submit it here. So the quiz is timed. The total time is 1 hour for all 3 classes, but it is not proctored. When we work down another month or so, about a month, we'll be taking the midterm exam, which is proctored, and I will proctor you on Zoom I'll give you a series of choices of time, and if you'd rather, you can come to the campus and I will proctor you face to face. But either way, we'll get you squared away. All right, so that's dynamics. Let's take a look at statics. If you are in statics, we go down and take a look at the schedule, and you'll see that I have the times here for our videos. So on Monday we met and I worked out a problem for this class and I posted it to our web page, to our Moodle page. On Wednesday, we will be meeting at 1:30 for our regular Zoom meeting after you watch video number 12. So right now, for statics, if you're on schedule, you will have submitted the first homework, which was a unit conversion handout, the second homework, and then the quiz, like we said before, is due tomorrow, September 16th. So once again, that's the time schedule in order to get done at the end of the semester. However, you'll receive no penalty for turning in things late. But same deal, you'll pull up the quiz here, 5 parts, you'll write it out and then scan it and submit it right here. All right, the problem that we talked about yesterday was problem 106 in chapter 2, and it's fully worked out here. I made that as methodical and stepwise as I could, so I hope that will be helpful to you. And if you need further information, once again, text or email me. All right, the last class that I want to talk about today is mechanics of materials. And in mechanics of materials, our first homework was a set of review problems on the method of joints and the method of sections. So you would have turned that in there if we're operating on time. Then homework 1 turned in on September 4th. And our timeline's a little different here. Chapter 2 homework for mechanics of materials was due yesterday, and the quiz will not be due for another week. But it's the same thing. Open it up and then scan it and submit it within 1 hour. And again, timed but not proctored. So if there's anything I can help you with, I hope you will contact me. I've had really good visits with several of your classmates. Some of you I've talked to a little bit. Some of you I've really not heard from at all, except to receive your homework. And if that works with your schedule, that's fine as well. But I just really want to reiterate, I'm here to help, so get a hold of me anytime you want. And aside from that, have a wonderful Tuesday. Have a wonderful week. And I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.